How to report spam text on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to report spam text on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to report your spam text on iPhone, then go ahead and open the Messages application on your device firstly, and further open the message you want to report as spam. Now, if you simply delete the message, the user will be able to send you the message again. So, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on top of your screen, or tap on the number and then tap on the info option you see there. You will see the option for block caller. Tap on that, and with this, the user will no longer be able to send you the text message anymore. So, this is how you can report spam text on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.